Did you know that light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach our Earth? That's pretty fast. But here's something really interesting. The tiny particles called photons, which are created deep inside the sun, can take an astonishingly long time, anywhere from 10,000 to even 170,000 years, to break free and travel to us. This shows just how complicated and fascinating the journey of sunlight can be. Speaking of fascinating journeys, the Solar Dynamics Observatory, or SDO for short, gives us amazing pictures of the sun's corona. This is the outer layer of the sun, and it has secrets that our eyes cannot see. Thanks to this special NASA mission, we learn a lot more about how the sun works, helping scientists unlock the mysteries of solar dynamics. Now, let's talk about solar flares. These are like giant explosions happening on the sun's surface, releasing incredible amounts of energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation. They happen when the sun's magnetic fields get all tangled up, showing us just how lively and active the sun really is. In addition to solar flares, there are these cool features called coronal holes. These are places where solar wind particles can easily escape into space. When these energetic particles meet Earth's magnetic field, they create beautiful auroras that light up the night sky. Coronal holes have cooler and less dense plasma, making them an exciting part of solar activity. Another exciting feature of the sun is solar filaments, also known as prominences. These are gigantic loops of plasma that can extend hundreds of thousands of kilometers into space, and they are shaped and influenced by the sun's powerful magnetic fields. How incredible is that? Now let's explore something called coronal rain. This fascinating phenomenon occurs when the charged plasma in the sun cools down and falls back to its surface, creating stunning displays. Even though this rain is quite beautiful, it remains extremely hot, showcasing just how different solar weather is from the weather we experience on Earth. As we dive deeper, we find the transition region between the corona and the chromosphere. Here, temperatures change dramatically, from a toasty 8,000 Kelvin to a sizzling 500,000 Kelvin. This remarkable temperature shift highlights just how dynamic and active our sun really is. Next, we discover spicules. These are long jets of plasma that shoot up in the chromosphere. They can travel as fast as 100 kilometers per second and can be over 10 kilometers long. Spicules show us just how complicated solar activity can be, adding even more excitement to our understanding of the sun. Let's not forget the photosphere. This is the part of the sun that we can see. It is mostly made up of plasma, which means the sun doesn't have a solid form, even if it looks like it does. Isn't that fascinating? What an amazing star we have in the sky. As we look closer, we find solar granules. These are large convection cells on the sun's surface, and they remind us of cooling lava. Each granule can move at supersonic speeds and lasts about 20 minutes. This shows us just how intense the activity on the sun's surface can be. With different imaging techniques, scientists can study various solar phenomena like sunspots and solar flares. These methods reveal a vibrant and lively sun, filled with lots of hidden activities. It's like discovering a treasure chest of solar wonders. Mark your calendars for April 8th, 2024. That day, we will experience a total solar eclipse, which gives us a rare chance to see the sun's corona safely. Remember, it's super important to use proper eye protection while watching this spectacular event. It's something you won't want to miss.